Have Seasonale, Levonorgestrel plus Ethinyl Estradiol. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Seasonale contains 2 synthetic female hormones. Levonorgestrel, a synthetic progesterone, progestin, prevents ovulation and thickens cervical mucus. Ethinyl estradiol, a synthetic estrogen, stabilizes the menstrual cycle and enhances contraceptive effectiveness. Drug class Seasonale belongs to combined hormonal contraceptives, CHC, estrogen progestin oral contraceptives, extended cycle birth control pills. Brand name Seasonale. Drug forms. Seasonale is supplied as oral tablets arranged in a 91-day pack, 84 active hormone tablets, 7 inactive placebo tablets. This regimen results in approximately 1 menstrual period every 3 months. Number 2. Definition Seasonale is a prescription oral contraceptive designed to prevent pregnancy while reducing the number of menstrual periods experienced each year. Unlike conventional birth control pills that produce monthly bleeding, Seasonale provides continuous hormone exposure for 84 days followed by a short placebo phase. Women using Seasonale generally experience 4 menstrual periods per year, less menstrual discomfort, reduced menstrual blood loss, greater convenience for work, travel, sports, and lifestyle needs. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Seasonale prevents pregnancy through multiple complementary mechanisms. A. Suppression of ovulation. Normally, the pituitary gland releases FSH and LH. LH surge triggers ovulation. Seasonale suppresses follicle-stimulating hormone FSH, luteinizing hormone LH. As a result, the ovary does not release an egg. Fertilization cannot occur. B. Thickening of cervical mucus. The progestin component thickens cervical mucus, creates a barrier to sperm movement. This makes it difficult for sperm to enter the uterus. C. Endometrial alteration. Seasonale changes the uterine lining by making it thinner, making implantation less likely. D. Tubal effects. Hormones alter, fallopian tube contractions, egg transport. This further decreases the chance of fertilization. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. After oral administration, rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, bioavailability is high. Peak blood concentrations occur within levonorgestrel 1 to 3 hours, ethinyl estradiol 1 to 4 hours. Distribution. Both hormones circulate through the bloodstream, bind extensively to plasma proteins. Levonorgestrel binds mainly to sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG, albumin. Metabolism. Metabolism occurs primarily in the liver. Ethinyl estradiol undergoes CYP3A4-mediated metabolism, enterohepatic recirculation. Levonorgestrel metabolized through reduction, hydroxylation, conjugation. Elimination excretion occurs via urine, feces. Half-life. Levonorgestrel approximately 24 to 32 hours. Ethinyl estradiol approximately 13 to 27 hours. MUV5 uses. Primary use, pregnancy prevention. Seasonale is over 99% effective with perfect use and approximately 93% effective with typical use. Additional uses. Menstrual suppression reduces the number of periods. Reduction of menstrual pain improves dysmenorrhea. Reduction of menstrual blood loss, helpful for heavy periods. Improvement in quality of life. Fewer menstrual symptoms, less interruption of daily activities. Reduction of premenstrual symptoms may reduce mood swings, breast tenderness, bloating. Number 6, indications. Seasonale is indicated for contraception. Women who desire reliable, reversible birth control. Women seeking fewer menstrual periods. Useful for frequent travelers, athletes, military personnel, women with menstrual disorders. Heavy menstrual bleeding may decrease menstrual flow, anemia risk. Menstrual-related disorders helpful in dysmenorrhea, menstrual migraines, premenstrual symptoms. Number 7, contraindications. Seasonale should not be used in certain high-risk conditions. History of blood clots includes deep vein thrombosis, DVT, pulmonary embolism, PE. Hormonal contraceptives may increase clotting risk, stroke or heart attack. Estrogen may increase cardiovascular complications. Severe hypertension. Uncontrolled blood pressure increases stroke risk. Liver disease. Liver dysfunction may impair hormone metabolism. Hormone-sensitive cancers, including breast cancer, endometrial cancer. Pregnancy, no contraceptive benefit during pregnancy. Migraine with aura associated with increased stroke risk. Smokers over age 35 significantly increase cardiovascular risk. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Medical history review. Patients should disclose. Hypertension may worsen during treatment. Diabetes monitoring may be required. Hyperlipidemia, risk of cardiovascular disease may increase. Obesity associated with thromboembolic events. Depression, hormonal changes may affect mood. Gallbladder disease may worsen symptoms. Liver disease may require alternative contraception. Number 9, how to use. Starting the medication. Day 1, start begin on the first day of menstruation. Sunday, start begin on the first Sunday after menstruation starts. Daily administration, take 1 tablet daily, take at the same time every day, swallow with water. Continue even if spotting occurs. Importance of adherence. Missing pills may increase pregnancy risk, cause breakthrough bleeding. Number 10, dosing information. Standard regimen, active phase, 84 active tablets, taken continuously for 12 weeks. Placebo phase, 7 inactive tablets. Cycle duration, total 91 days. Women generally experience 1 withdrawal bleed every 3 months. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, 1 pill missed, take immediately when remembered. Continue remaining pills normally. 2 consecutive pills missed, take the most recent missed pill. Continue schedule. Use backup contraception. Multiple missed pills, pregnancy risk increases substantially. Overdose. Symptoms, nausea, vomiting, vaginal bleeding, breast tenderness, dizziness. Management, no specific antidote, supportive treatment only. Number 12, stop or avoid taking immediately. Stop seasonal and seek medical care if blood clot symptoms, leg swelling, leg pain, sudden shortness of breath. Stroke symptoms, weakness, facial drooping, speech difficulty. Liver injury, yellow eyes, yellow skin, dark urine. Discontinue immediately if pregnancy occurs. Number 13. Side effects, common side effects, gastrointestinal nausea, vomiting, bloating, neurological headache, dizziness, reproductive breakthrough, bleeding, spotting, breast changes, tenderness, enlargement, emotional effects, mood swings, irritability, serious side effects, thromboembolism, DVT, pulmonary embolism, cardiovascular events, stroke, heart attack, liver problems, hepatic adenoma, cholestatic jaundice, severe allergic reactions, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. 14. Vital information. Does not protect against HIV infection. Does not prevent sexually transmitted infections. Must be taken daily for maximum effectiveness. Smoking greatly increases serious cardiovascular risks. Effectiveness may decrease with certain medications. Regular gynecological examinations are recommended. Number 15. Other drugs will affect Seasonale. Drugs that reduce effectiveness. Antibiotics examples. Rifampin, rifabutin, anti-epileptic drugs, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital. Herbal products, St. John's wort. HIV medications. Certain antiretroviral therapies may alter hormone levels. Drugs affected by Seasonale may affect cyclosporin levels, corticosteroids, thyroid replacement therapy. Number 16, drug comparison Seasonal F's traditional oral contraceptives. Seasonal, 4 periods superior, extended cycle, less menstrual bleeding, reduced menstrual symptoms. Traditional pills, 12 periods superior, monthly withdrawal bleeding, more frequent hormone-free intervals. Advantages of seasonal, fewer menstrual periods, reduced menstrual cramps, less menstrual blood loss, increased convenience. Disadvantages, more breakthrough bleeding initially, requires strict daily adherence, similar hormonal risks as other. Combined contraceptives 17, patient teaching, medication adherence. Take at the same time every day. Use reminders or alarms if necessary. Smoking cessation. Avoid smoking completely. Smoking significantly increases risks of blood clots, stroke, and heart attack. Recognition of warning signs. Remember 8s. A. Abdominal pain may indicate liver disease or clotting. C. Pain may indicate pulmonary embolism or heart attack. H. Headache. Severe headache may indicate stroke. E. Eye problems. Blurred vision may indicate vascular complications. S. Severe leg pain, possible deep vein thrombosis. Follow-up care. Patients should attend routine health examinations, monitor blood pressure regularly, inform healthcare providers before surgery, report unusual symptoms promptly. Safe storage. Store at room temperature. Protect from moisture and heat. Keep away from children and pets. Thank you. Have a nice day.